Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use AI color match in Polarr Next. This feature lets you upload a source image with a style you love, and it will automatically apply a similar look to your own photo. Whether your photo is indoors, outdoors, overexposed, or underexposed, AI color match adjusts the settings to ensure the effect looks natural and cohesive. It also maps out all the adjustments like tones, contrast, curves, and color calibration, so you have full control to fine-tune and customize the final look. Let's get started. To use AI color match in Polarr Next, first open editing mode and then locate the AI color match tab on the left-hand side. Either drag and drop or click the plus icon to upload your source image. If you have multiple source images, you can drag multiple images into the upload box or use the plus icon to select multiple images at once. Use the arrow buttons to cycle through and choose the source image you want to match. Next, click the Apply Current Image button and AI color match will instantly transfer the look to your photo. After applying the source image, the strength slider will become active, allowing you to control how strong or subtle you want the effect to be. You can also apply the source image to multiple images at once. Simply hold Shift, select the images you want, and click Apply Current Image. Use the strength slider to adjust the intensity across all selected images. AI color match doesn't just apply a fixed filter. It learns from your source image and adapts the adjustments dynamically, so you can refine the style to fit your exact vision. For even more customization, use the adjustment panel to fine-tune key parameters like warmth, contrast, curves, and color calibration. Once you're happy with the result, save it as a custom preset or mark it as a reference to quickly apply the same style across your entire project. Your uploaded source images stay with your account across multiple projects until you remove them by clicking the trash icon on the image you want to delete. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips.